Hello and welcome to this episode of Equity Sahi Hai. Joining me today is well-known financial planner Brijesh Dalmia. Thank you very much, Brijesh, for joining me on this show.
Thank you, Vivek.
Let's talk a little about something that you have been saying for years, which is the importance of asset allocation. And I think again, what we saw playing out in the market, where equity saw a sudden fall in the recent past and very sharp fall. It brought to fore the importance of asset allocation, that don't keep all your money in just one asset class, but make sure that you keep it across asset classes. So can you explain the importance of asset allocation and how do you go about making sure that you have a good portfolio which has asset allocation in it?
Yeah, so I think the basis of any investment planning should be asset allocation. While I have seen that people have a recency bias, and if any particular asset class is doing well in the recent past, more and more money flows into that asset class. But I guess one should be very cautious of the fact that something which has done very well in the last 1 year may not do well in the near future. For example, people often ask that, is it a good time to invest in gold bonds, which has gone up by 60-70%? So the typical answer is that if you are already having 10-15% allocation in gold, maybe not. But if your allocation to gold is zero, then any price is good, because you need to have at least 5-10% of your allocation of the portfolio into gold, no matter what the price is. Because in case of uncertainties, gold protects you. So in the same way, I think return should be the secondary objective of any investor. The first objective should be the capital preservation or minimize the losses. From that perspective, asset allocation works very well, and you never know when the market will turn back and your asset class may not perform. So it is always good to diversify your assets into equity, into bonds, into gold, maybe some kind of international equity. Of course, many of us already have real estate. So it makes tremendous case, Vivek, yes.
Pleasure talking to you, Brijesh Dalmia. Thank you very much for joining us here on Equity Sahi Hai.
Thank you so much.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.